have some cool stuff for you. Get ready to put on an amazing show with the LEGO City 60,177 Airshow Jet, featuring an opening cockpit, awesome decorations and landing gear. This cool stunt plane for boys and girls includes a minifigure. Includes the pilot minifigure. Features a colorful LEGO jet plane toy with cool decorations, landing gear and an opening cockpit. Lift up the cockpit so the pilot can get in and take off. Airshow Jet model measures over 2 high, 7 long and 5 wide.